Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine and video will start now with these all beautiful animals. As you can see, this koala, gorilla, this beautiful jaguar, snake, tortoise, donkey, and this anteater, this frog, and this bull, and this cow. So let's start our video and let's pick our first animal, and we have this beautiful jaguar. Beautiful color, wild animal. As you can see her body pattern. Let's wash him and clean him. Jaguar is clean now. Beautiful wild animal. Jaguar. And our next animal we have this beautiful, cute, friendly animal. Dolphin. Let's wash and clean him. Dolphin is clean now. Beautiful dolphin. And our next animal, we have this cute elephant. Oh my god, this elephant is full with mud, but this toy is very cute. Let's wash him. Okay, so this elephant is clean now. Beautiful elephant. Look like real one. And our next animal, we have this bull. Very dangerous wild animal bull. Oh, let's wash him. Bull is clean now. Beautiful bull. And our next animal, we have this beautiful giraffe. Let's wash and clean this giraffe. Okay, this giraffe is clean now. Beautiful giraffe.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
And our next animal, we have this gorilla, black gorilla, muddy gorilla. Let's wash and clean this muddy gorilla. Gorilla is clean now. Beautiful gorilla. And our next animal, we have this king of jungle, lion. Let's wash him, muddy lion. Lion is clean now. Beautiful, big size lion. And our next animal, we have this cute koala, muddy koala. Let's wash and clean him. Koala is clean now. Beautiful koala. And our next animal, we have this wolf. Very dangerous wild animal. Wolf. Let's wash him. Wolf is clean now. Oh, what's this happening? This wolf. Oh, just look at him. Wolf. It's clean now. Very fluffy wolf. And our next animal, we have this tortoise. Another slowest wild animal. Let's watch him. Tortoise. It's clean now. Beautiful. Tortoise. And our next animal, we have this cute and beautiful cow. Let's wash and clean him. Muddy cow. Cow is clean now. Beautiful cow. And our next animal, we have this anteater. Muddy anteater. Let's wash and clean him. Anteater, it's clean now. Beautiful anteater. And our next animal, we have this snake. Oh my god, muddy snake. You can see snake full with mud. Let's wash him. I think we will wash this snake. Okay, so this snake is clean now. Beautiful. Oh my god, very dangerous snake. And our next animal, we have this lioness. Let's wash and clean this muddy lioness. Lioness is clean now. Beautiful lioness. And our next animal, we have a frog. Muddy frog. Oh, wow, let's wash him. Frog is clean now. Beautiful frog. Last, we have donkey Raja. Oh, very cute. I think this is a donkey Raja. Let's wash him. Donkey is clean now. Beautiful. Donkey. So friends, please like and subscribe our channel.